Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today we'll show you how to create unique ranks in Excel using the COUNTIF formula. This method ensures that even if two students have the same marks, they will have unique ranks in ascending order. Let's dive in. First, open your Excel file. For this example, let's assume you have students' names in column A, A3 to A11, and their marks in column B, B3 to B11. Next to it, in column C, there are their ranks, which are the same if two students have the same marks. Now let's find their unique rank. In cell D3, enter the following formula. Equals COUNTIF, $B$3, $B$11, greater than sign, and B3, plus COUNTIF, $B$3, B3, B3. Here's how it works. This part counts how many marks are greater than the current mark. And this part counts how many times the current mark has appeared up to the current row, ensuring unique ranks for ties. When you combine these two components, you get a formula that provides unique ranks. Drag the formula from cell D3 down to cell D11 to apply it to all students' marks. Unique ranks are needed in scenarios where you want to ensure fair distribution of awards and bonuses, perform detailed performance analysis, and provide clear and unambiguous performance reports. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.